numbers. What do you mean by the word swapping? It means changing the positions of the numbers or anything. We all know that why everything is being saved in our memory registers. Okay. So here I have taken what A as a variable in which suppose I have assigned a value what 5. So A is equals to 5. Now B as a variable and I have assigned a value what 6. So B is equals to 6. Now before swapping, here we have not used the operation of A and B. So before swapping, I want the output what A comma B. We all know that comma is act as a what separator between the variable. Okay, so if we have to put two variables, then we will use two different separators. So this A and B are different variables. Because of that reason, here we have put another separator. And this is a string. String and A variable, here is a separator comma. Any doubt, beta? No. Now, here I have written what C is equals to A. I have taken an empty variable. Okay, C. Now A value is been assigned into variable C. Now A value is been assigned into variable C. Now this A is now empty. Correct? Because A value is been assigned in variable C. Fine. Now A is equals to B. A is equals to B means what? B value is been assigned in A. As A is empty, what is my target to get the output? What? 6 and B should be what? 5. 5. Correct? That is the output. Now as A is empty, so my B value is been assigned here. Now this one will be 6 and this will be now B value is what? Empty. That's why I have written here that A is now empty. So value of B is now assigned in variable A. Okay. Clear, Disha? Clear. Now, C tends to B. C is assigned in variable B. What does it mean? Now B is empty. Correct. Now C variable is been assigned in B. Yes. Now this C. Now C is what? Extra variable we have taken. Extra input empty variable we have taken it. Okay. Right. So here it is. So there is no use. Because of that reason here we have not initialized it. Yeah. Clear? So as B is now empty, so the value C is been assigned in variable B. Okay. Now the number is been swapped. Yes. Correct. So print after swapping of two numbers A comma B. Is any doubt is there? No. Now just run the program. Okay. Save and run. You have to run since they don't have the control. Yeah. Now suppose here I have written enter the first number. I have written 20 here. Enter the second number 30 here. Now before swapping. Okay. Before swapping, this is the output. It should be A comma B. So 20 comma 30. Now after swapping A comma B 30 comma 20. Clear? Okay. Any doubt? No. Sure.